Hello kids. So today we are going to do the summary of chapter 1 which I have finished with chapter 1. So I will be sending this summary what concept we have learned in class during live session, so that will be revised. So we have learned first which has more. So we between two set we have to count and we have to check out in which set we have more objects. So if we come to the fish and butterflies, so there are how many fishes are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 fish. And if we count butterflies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 butterflies. So in set B, butterflies are more than fish. So we will put a circle. Then we come to the beetle. Next set. There are 3 beetles, 1, 2 and 3. And there are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 cats. So cats are more than beetles. So we'll put a circle on the cat. So in that set, cats are more. Coming to the caps, there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 caps, and here are 2 teddies. So caps are more than teddies. So we put a circle on the caps. Let's go to another. We have learnt numbers 1 to 20. So we will count how many numbers are there over here and in this both the boxes. If we count fish, we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 fish, right? Then we come to the honeybees. Let's count the honeybees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 honeybees. Now let's count the cupcakes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many cupcakes are there? 8. Now let's count the leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 leaves. So we have to count like this and we have to write the numbers. Let's count the nuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many nuts are there? 10. So we will count like this and write. Now you over here in this box we have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many apples are there? 14. So we'll put a circle. Now let's count the oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many oranges are there? There are 13. So we will circle on 1, 3, 13. Now let's count the pizza pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many slices are there? 15. Now let's go to understanding the 0 and 10. 2 children are on the swing. There are 2 children. Gurdeep goes home. So from 2, Gurdeep goes home. So how many is left on the swing? Only 1. That is Shama. Now over here look, even Shama goes away. So how many are left on the swing? 0. So we write 0 like this, right? And what is the spelling of 0? Z-E-R-O. That is 0. Then 10. So there are 9 birds on the tree. 1 more flies in. So 9 are there and 1 more adds on. So total how many birds become? There are 10 birds. And from 10, with our finger, how we show our 10? We show our 10 like this. Okay. Now, let's understand before, after and between. So kids, as we have learned before, after, between, so tell me which number will come before 3? Yes, it will be 2. And before 6, which number will come? Yes, it is 5. Now tell me between 1 and 3, which number is missing? 2. And between 6 and 8, which number is missing? Yes, 7. 6, 7, 8. Now we will be doing after. So tell me which number will come after 5? So it is 6. And after 9? Yes, it is 0. So now let's compare the numbers. Now in compare numbers, I have taught you, as you can see the sign over here, crocodile faces are this. Crocodile face, right? Crocodile mouth, I can say. The crocodile open their mouth where there is more food, right? So between 2020 and 20, these are equal. So for equal, we put 2 sleeping lines. And now tell me between 1111 and 115, which is the biggest number? Yes, it is 1515. Now tell me between 1414 and 1212, which is the biggest? Yes, it is 14. So crocodile is opening his mouth towards the biggest number. So now tell me between 7, 17 and 11, which is the biggest? Yes, it is 17. Now 6, 16 and 9, 19, which is the biggest? Yes, it is 19. And between 12 and 7, which is the biggest? Yes, it is 17. Now we will be learning ordering numbers up to 20. We have learned small to greatest and greatest to the smallest, or I can say small to big, big to small, or another word we can say in ascending order and in descending order. So right now we will be doing small to greatest. So between 12, 18, 14 and 9, which is the smallest number? Yes, it is 9. After 9, now 12, 18 and 14, if you compare, so which is the smallest? Yes, it is 12. Then between 18 and 14, which is the smallest? Yes, it is 14. And which number is left? 18. So which is the 9 is the smallest and 18 is the greatest number. Now coming to the second one, 6, 16, 19 and this is actually 18. So tell me which is the smallest? Yes, it is it is 6. Then between 16, 19 and 18, which is the smallest number? Yes, it is 16. Then between 19 and 18, yes, it is 18. And which number is left? 19. That means 6 is the smallest and 19 is the greatest number. Now between 13, 20, 12 and 4, which is the smallest? Yes, it is 4. Then between 13, 20 and 12, which is the smallest number? Yes, it is 12. Then between 13 and 20, which is the smallest? It is 13. Which number is left? Yes, 20. So 4 is the smallest and 20 is the greatest number. Now we have to do from great to smallest. So between 2, 11, 17, 15, which is the greatest? Yes, 17 is greatest. Then between 2, 11 and 15, which is the greatest? Yes, it is 15. Then between 2 and 11, which is the greatest? 11. And which number is left? 2. That means 17 is the greatest, largest and 2 is the smallest. Now let's do Another one, 18, 14, 15 and 12, which is the greatest? Yes, it is 18. Then between 14, 15 and 12, which is the greatest? Yes, it is 15. Then between 14 and 12, which is the greatest? Yes, it is 14. And which is left? 12. That means 18 is the greatest and 12 is the smallest. Now let's do the last one. Between 5, 13, 17 and 9, which is the greatest? Yes, it is 17. Then between 5, 13 and 9, which is the greatest? 13. Then between 5 and 9, yes, it is 9. And the last one is 5. So, 17 is the greatest and 5 is the smallest. So, with this, I have covered chapter 1 numbers 1 to 20. So, you do practice all the pages which we have done. Thank you, kids.